Hello, welcome to Titan Incubators. In this video I'm going to show you how to set up the Titan Incubators door opener with timer. When you order it, you'll receive this box. You basically open the cellophane on the box to get inside, and inside the box you will find your door opener. So inside the box you will receive a pack of 4 screws, one set of batteries, a small instruction booklet, and obviously the door opener. So once you remove it from the box, the first job is to slide off the front protective cover, the weatherproof panel, and you'll see inside you have 4 screw holes, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we take this door opener to the chicken house and screw it onto the chicken house. For this demonstration I've actually fitted the door opener to a wall in my office using the 4 screws supplied. I've also attached it to one of our metal doors. It's vital you attach the door at this stage, as a common mistake people do is they try and operate the door without any weight on it. If you try and operate the door without any weight on it, it will not work. It has to have weight on it to sense where the door is and what position it is. But I always set the door opener up in position. The string must be straight down, not at an angle, it must be straight down, so as it lifts the door up and down, it's very simple, it's very in line, and there's no extra pressure from being at the wrong angle. So the next job now is to insert the batteries. Okay, so with the batteries now installed, you'll see that the top of the clock where it says door opener, it automatically defaults to 06:30 in the morning. The main clock, the time now, automatically defaults to 0000, and the closing time automatically defaults to 19:30. So what we have to do now is set the door to open at the time we want it to open, we set it to close at the time we want it to close, and we also set the current time. Okay, so to start setting the unit we have to press and hold the set button for about 3 seconds, and you'll see the top is now flashing to set the door opener. So we want to change the hours. You can increase that or decrease it. We use the plus buttons because I'd like to open it at 7, and then to move across to the minutes we actually press the enter button once. So we can now press the plus buttons to make it to 7:35 if we want, or obviously if we reduce the time then we can use the minus buttons. So we're back to 7:30. So I finish with setting the timer for the door opener. So now I press set to move down. It now takes me to the time I want to set the door to close. So again, by using the plus button you can increase the time, or the minus button to decrease the time. So we'll leave it at 7 o'clock for example for this test. We'll press enter to move across to the minutes, and we'll press plus until we get it to 45. So that's okay. So we now got 19:45 for the close time, or 7:45 PM. So we press the set one more time and we set the current time, and the current time now is 11:45. So we use the plus button. So it's 11, then we press the enter button once, and to be honest it would be quicker to use the minus button to go backwards to the 45, so I'm using the minus button because I'll get there faster. So we now press the set button and hold that for 3 seconds. We have now set the door opener to open and close. Okay, so what I'm going to do in this section now is to test the unit. So to test the unit, this isn't an override, this is just a test. So to test the unit's working, I'm going to press and hold the minus button for 3 seconds, and you'll see the door goes down. Now I can release it, it will continue going down until the door is closed. Okay, so I've used the minus button to test that the unit closes. Now I'm going to press and hold the plus button for 3 seconds. And as you can see, the door starts to come up. So now I'm just testing that the door goes up, and obviously it's working absolutely fine. As you can see, as the door is going up in our test, there is a red knot here. This red knot must go through the base hole, and it will go up, it will knock the top limit switch, telling the unit that the door is open. Okay, and finally, with everything set inside, everything working fine now, we just slide on the weatherproof panel, push it into place, and the Titan door opener is now working and set on your chicken house. Thank you.